Greetings, everybody. Welcome to today's session. Well, in my lesson in class, a learner asked me a question. We were discussing factors considered before obtaining or buying a computer, a PC, or a personal computer. In our responses, we shared a number of things, issues to do with the color, price, and so much more. Most people prefer gold, black, silver, and so many other colors. However, we reached a consensus and said checking system specifications or features is the most important factor that one must consider. Never go away from that shop without checking the system specifications. Now, how do we do it? On this application called this PC, you select this PC, right click, look for properties. A dialog box appears with all the properties, everything about your computer. So this device here has device specifications. The name, you will see the name of this device, the processor, the installed RAM, and so much more. The Windows specifications are here. Windows 11, Windows installed on, the date, everything is there. DCPC, then properties. Or you can go to the settings. Can select Windows plus I, Windows button plus I. You go to the settings, then system. Under system settings, you look for about. They will show you everything about your computer. When you go to settings, system settings, then about. Everything about your computer will be seen. If not, you can press Windows button plus R. Windows plus R. You type in MSInfo32. MSInfo32. Then press enter. You'll get the system information still. Everything, the OS name, the version, the system manufacturer, system name, system type, and everything. You are checking the system specifications before buying your computer. You can as well press Windows plus R, then you type in DXDIAG, type in that, press enter. Still, this one will enable you to see the system specifications as you're seeing them here. The date, the computer name, the language, the manufacturer, and many other things are here. If you want to check the display of your system, the graphics card, and so much more, the device type, does it display at full display or not? Everything is there. The sound, which kind of sound are you using? Are you using speakers which use Conexant Smart Audio HD or not? Input. You can as well save this. You remain with a copy. Save all the information. Where are you going to save it? You can call it system specs specifications. You are saving as which type? As text. You save on the desktop. Then save. You see, can exit this. So when you double click to open this, your system specification is right there. Thank you so much for listening.